This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning, and we are at 32 Sweden Street, Berlin, New Hampshire, performing a sewer inspection. We found multiple issues so far with this pipe. The number one connection is failing. There is also multiple repairs in this pipe, and the condition of some of this other pipe is running flat and is in bad shape and should be replaced. So we're going to perform the inspection from where it ties in at the city at about 47 feet. And we're going to come back towards the cleanout, which is located in the basement, just at the bottom, adjacent to the stairs. That should tie in right here. That's SDR 35 pipe. And right here at about 42 feet, we run into clay pipe. We got some cracking going on above there. It's very fine, but you can see it. That's offsetting right there. The hub is coming apart right here at about 32 feet. Offsetting here. Small sitting here, that water weeping out under the ground right underneath. If you look right about where the 25 is, that water's getting through that joint into the ground there, and I'll end up washing that out, causing a sinkhole. So we're hoping a little bit of water on the bottom, so this pipe is kind of running flat. Same thing here. You can see how that water is weeping through those joints there. That's going to cause. That's why your pipe is starting to actually sink, because that water is starting to form underneath that and washing it out. And it's PVC. Right at about 22, 23 feet for a connection. So there's been a repair out there, and there's a Y out there. I don't know what that is at 21 feet. It's weird. Do you have any storm drains or anything outside? Up that way?
Nope.
Okay. There's definitely a Y connection right here. See it right there?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what that is, so we'll note that. 4-inch connection out there. As you can see, how we got water in the bottom of this pipe, so it's settled, it's flat. So the carry isn't very good. Sagging, so now we're starting to tilt backwards in the pipe.
Yep.
17 feet, we're coming back to almost 18 feet out, transitioning back into clay pipe. And see how that water's disappeared down there?
Yeah.
Because now we're actually starting to get some slope back in that pipe. And so you got offsetting here, the hub's starting to come apart on the inside with water escaping right underneath there too. And we got some settling right here, so it's sagged right here. See how we go in the water here?
Yep.
And then we come out.
Right
So
under the
this pipe
slab.
is like a roller coaster ride. And that's a bad one right there. So right here, 3 feet out, we're transitioning off the cast iron into your first number 1 joint, which we call, where you transition from cast iron to clay pipe, is failed. So it's coming apart. Another issue here too is you have this fitting here, which is a sanitary tee on its side. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be a Y. So when you flush, your water's hitting, and it's going both ways, so you're losing your force on your flush. Plus, there's way too much pitch on there too. When this was put in, they put it in with the higher volume flush toilets. And if you've had your toilet replaced since 1994, it's going to be a low volume flush 1.6, or it could even be 1.24 now. And that has to get all that water there. That water takes off, leaves all those solids behind, starts cascading and crashing into that sanitary tee. Then finally starts to push over and starts to get hung up all on this number 1 joint here. And that's why you got to keep sticking your hose in there and keep blasting it out, because 1, there's not enough volume. 2, that sanitary tee on its side is illegal. And then just the condition of the pipe on the way out. See it right here?
Yeah. That has a...
It looks like it has a swoop,
Yep.
but the way this is designed is supposed to be on the vertical only, or upside down for a vent.
Okay.
A Y would come down and have another fitting for a 45, so it would come like this and actually exit off like this.
Yeah.
This looks like it has a swoop, but it just goes straight in.
Well, I mean, we're gonna do something. It's gonna be PVC all the way.
Yeah. And this is probably going right underneath your stairs out front.
Yeah.
Always, so always in like the worst places for it.
Yeah.
Another thing up there. Oh, I'm seeing the pipe. Okay. And that's the clean out. This is the sanitary tee on its side that I'm talking about right there. Okay, this is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. That concludes the inspection. 32 Sweden Street, Berlin, New Hampshire.